everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Summer. Today's video, I am going to be talking what I feel are the best products for fine, thin hair, so let's get started. So I love me some volume products, but I also have a few choices in the lineup that aren't volume products, but are all great all around for some added benefits to give life to your possibly fine or thin hair. Also, I want to make note this is not sponsored by any of these products this video. I truly just love them. So, in the lineup we have MOROCCANOIL's Root Boost, MOROCCANOIL's Volume Mousse, MOROCCANOIL's Original Treatment, OLAPLEX number 8, L'Oreal Professional Prolonger Shampoo and Conditioner, AG's Dry Lift Paste, Living Proof's Dry Volume and Texture Spray, and last but not least, L'Oreal Professional Technique Arc INFINIUM 4 High Hold Hairspray. Let's get to breaking down these products, starting with MOROCCANOIL. Clearly, I am a huge fan, and again, this is not a sponsored video, but hey, MOROCCANOIL, if you're watching, it could be, kind of. Kidding, but not really. So we have MOROCCANOIL's Root Boost. This is a classic foam root boost that you spray directly on your scalp. You can do it in just specific areas, but I like to do it all over. Reasons why I love this is almost endless. First off, I love the body it gives me, both with my hair short and long. The product feel from this is very light as far as root lifter goes, and I don't ever feel like my scalp is oily or greasy from it moving into my second day. The hold is awesome, and I literally always go back to this over and over after trying other root lifters. It's just always my favorite at the end of the day, and I use this in salon as well. MOROCCANOIL's Volume Mousse, my love runs deep for this, same as the root lifter. This I apply to my mid-lengths and ends, but you can also apply it to your scalp if you like as well. What I love most about this product is that if I ever overuse it, there is never a product feel, stiffness, or stickiness to my hair. Compared to other volume mousses that I've used, I always feel it is the least product feel. And while I have overused it, you don't need a lot. When my hair is short, I probably use 2 pumps, and with it longer, I do 3 to 4 depending on how much I spray out of the can. Like the Root Boost, I always go back to this. Next, we have MOROCCANOIL's Treatment. This is the classic staple MOROCCANOIL product. On the pricey side, but you do not need a lot depending on what you're using it for. It's got some good key ingredients being argan oil and linseed extract, which are both going to hydrate, nourish, and improve the health of your hair. It's great to add into your blow dries for some smoothing and moisture or after styling, but I have been loving it for the night before I wash my hair. I liberally apply a good amount to my hair to give it some extra love. With extensions, I tend to go a bit longer between washes and between the dry shampoo and extra heat put on my hair for reshaping. I feel like it's a bit dried out, so I do love the oil to do the night before just to let my hair soak everything in. Also, this comes in a light option, which is going to be what you want to use if you are a blonde. Okay, breaking away from the MOROCCANOIL, we have OLAPLEX number 8. This product, I can't with how amazing it is. When I first read the description that it adds body to your hair on top of the other amazing benefits, I was like, these people are full of it. But it really does truly help have volume in your hair after using it. So many moisture masks can weigh down the hair, especially if you have fine or thin hair, but this does not do that. You're gonna get both moisture and strength from this mask. It fully absorbs into your hair, and since deciding to grow my hair out, I've been using this at least twice a month paired with the shampoo and conditioner I will be talking about next. The difference I have felt in my hair, it's unbelievable. It's been a game changer for sure. And I use on my current length 2 to 3 pumps, and when it was shorter, I just did 1 at most times. L'Oreal Prolonger Shampoo and Conditioner. When I say this has changed my hair, I mean it. I started using this in February because I knew I wanted to start letting my hair grow out, and I wish that I had pictures to document my experience with these. The point of this shampoo and conditioner is to strengthen and thicken your ends, which has helped prevent breakage for me. I have way less split ends, and that's really been a godsend for me growing out my hair. This shampoo and conditioner will now always be a staple in my shower. The shampoo cleans my scalp so well. I don't need to use as much as compared to other shampoos, and the conditioner spreads very well, and while it conditions and seals in my ends, it does not weigh my hair down, which is so important for fine, thin hair. AG's Dry Lift Paste, it's a wonderful option for added texture in your hair. This is a gritty volume texture paste. This paste I specifically like to use on my second or third day between washes, but it's also great on day one. I always feel like this really boosts some body at my roots, and the grittiness, it gives a nice balance of texture to the hair without being sticky or heavy or product feeling. It spreads really well through the hair, and I usually use about 2 thumbnail size, so the jar lasts me quite a while. With my hair both short, longer, curled, or straight, I love this product just the same. Living Proof's Full Dry Volume and Texture Spray. It's my absolute favorite texture spray. I like AG's Dry Lift Paste because it's a paste, so I feel like you get to have a little more control working with your hands, but texture spray wise, Living Proof's is always my go-to. It gives you all the volume all over with enough mass to give you that texture in your hair. It comes out dry as per the title, so you're not gonna get that damp feeling, which I feel like the dampness some texture sprays give can actually weigh down fine hair. Absolutely love this. Always go back to it. I usually tip my head upside down to really work it in everywhere to get the extra lift, and then we'll finish off where needed once I stand back up. Love, love, love this. L'Oreal's INFINIUM 4 High Hold Hairspray. I'm new to using this, but I fell in love with it instantly. While it's a high hold hairspray, it is not stiff, it's workable, and it keeps your style in place. You can easily comb through your hair with this, and it helps combat frizz as well. I feel like what I love most about this is how it comes out of the can. It's very light, and the speed that it comes out is not super fast. Sometimes I feel like aerosol sprays can come out a bit too wet and fast, moving the shape that you already have in place. Huge fan of this hairspray. I'm also very particular about hairspray, so I was so happy with this when I tried it for the first time, and I still, of course, am. I think that most people who don't even like hairspray are going to be a fan of this. So those are my favorite choices, but in my indecisiveness, I wanted to do a few honorable mentions. Small Talk from BEDHEAD is my favorite go-to thickening cream when you're wanting a little extra moisture from a volumizer. Living Proof's Full Root Lift and Full Thickening Mousse, they give the best immediate volume to me. However, I don't feel their hold is as great compared to MoroccanOIL, but they are worth mentioning if you're looking for the most fullness for a date night or day event. HOLI Roots from FABLE in Maine is another great option for a mask that's great if you have fine hair and you don't like OLAPLEX No. 8. The shine from HOLI Roots is awesome, and REDKEN's Oil for All is a great alternative to MoroccanOIL's treatment that's a little bit better price point while still giving great benefits. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you found a product that you want to try out or some ideas for the future to try. Again, links will be provided below to all these products mentioned. Let me know in the comments if you have used any of these and your thoughts on them. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next week.